This is our 7th edition. We started in India in 2006-7 from Hyderabad fair, which was the first fair when UBM just entered the market. I think after that we have been growing and going to every region. We are in Chennai, we are in Gujarat, in Western region, we are in New Delhi, and we are also in Kolkata. I think that's the strength of UBM, that we have understood that India is so huge that it's very important to have a regional strategy and reach out to the jewelers across the country, and I think that has shown a tremendous positive response from across the country. This edition is going to bring over 150 exhibitors from across the country. Majority are going to come from this region, also from Western region, Jaipur, Kolkata, North, and also a lot of machinery companies who have got international tie-ups who are going to be participating here. In addition to these exhibitors, we also have buyers coming from across the region. We have people coming from Dubai, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Singapore. So slowly our focus is to make this fair truly international. International in the sense that as UBM has got offices across many countries, and UBM Asia's jewelry portfolio is so strong with the September fair, we get over 60,000 participants coming and visiting the fair. So the kind of network we have got through our international network, we would want to leverage that network and bring a lot of international buyers who are interested in buying Indian jewelry. As you all are aware that we have got many fairs in this region, the September fair which happens in Hong Kong, also the June fair. We have 2 exhibitions in China. We have recently launched Taiwan and Germany last year, also Singapore. So the UBM Asia's jewelry portfolio has really helped the Indian portfolio in terms of getting the quality buyers from across the region to this fair. One of the very important feature of this exhibition is we are going to be rewarding the jewelers and manufacturers from this particular region who will be coming to visit this fair. We also have a very interesting general meeting which is going to be focusing on the associations present in Andhra Pradesh, where they come and discuss what are the issues they face in the industry, and all the leaders from the industry actually come and give them a guidance. So I think my colleagues are here who will also give you more information about the exhibitions. Just to give you one more emphasis that this is a pure B2B exhibitions. General audience is not allowed, and it is going to be held in HITEX from 7th, 8th and 9th of June. Thank you.